Welcome, today in front of me STK Life 9 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap here to the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the media, column, ring and alarm volume panels. You can change them just by swap with your finger to the left or to the right this green dot. Also, we got here the vibrate switcher. You can turn on or turn off the vibrate for your calls. Also, you can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. Also, you can change here your phone ringtone and the notification sound. Now we'll go to the advanced options. Here also you can change the alarm sound. Also we got here the all of enabled options to our dial buttons, the screen locking sound, charging, touch sounds and touch for our vibration. So if we can turn on or turn off these all options by tap here once on the each of switchers. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.